leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh.
Everyone, so we just bought our new TV and we're so happy about it because it's much more bigger than the one that we have. This is 55 inches TCL and we bought it for how much?
19,000.
19,000 pesos. 55 inches. And we transport this to a pedicab and we paid him 100 pesos. It's how much is that? $1.50?
Something like that, yeah.
Something like that, yeah.
For
So for today's vlog, we're gonna make chili. We're craving for chili, so we're gonna try a new recipe. We have done this a lot of times, and I think this is the first food that we made, babe, right?
yes.
In your house, in your old apartment. So we're gonna try another recipe for today, and we have bacon, crushed tomatoes, jalapeno, carrots, peppers, onions, and ground beef, and some beef cubes, garbanzos, and we're gonna add dark chocolate on it. Let's see if it's really good, and we're gonna let Rufina and Phil to taste it. And we also have red kidney for it.
We are going to prank them with this. Yes. So watch to the end of the video.
Yes. So let's start, babe, because we're running out of time. What should I chop first?
Doesn't matter. But we need, it says 4.
I'll chop the bacon.
No. The bacon doesn't get chopped.
Okay.
8 strips sliced. Okay, I guess you do slice. Just about only like maybe into 1, 2 is good enough.
3.
Yeah, just 2 cuts is good enough.
Want me to put the onions there?
Now we are cooking the peppers, carrots. The onions are caramelized already, and we're cooking it in the bacon grease. So we'll saute this all for about 10 minutes. Look of this as a mixture of beans. I think this is going to be very good.
I can't wait to put chocolate so that I can eat the rest. Or are you gonna put it all? What?
Okay, half. You know. Because I love you. I'll give you half.
Here. Oh shit, that's a big fly. In my hands. Because I am your queen. And you will die in my hands. You will die. Let's pray together. Ah, ah.
Alright, now.
Where is it? There!
There you go.
There.
Dark chocolate in cinnamon. And then we'll add in a little more chili peppers at the end and last sauce. So I'm going to try the chili real quick to see if it's
Good.
I may have to add some more stuff. Maybe it's too sweet, maybe it's too spicy, I don't know.
Blow your food.
It's very good. I'd like to add some more spice to it. Some more hot sauce. You can taste the dark chocolate.
This is going to be your vlog now.
Gio takes over Maya's vlog. That's the name of the title. Let's try it again.
How was it?
I think it would even be more spicy. How about you try it? Blow your food.
I think you need to add more salt and spice.
Okay. Hey, oh, you're here.
Hey!
Oh, yeah. Oh, you got bowls? Okay. She wants to film your reaction.
Oh, okay.
Who make that one? You
Mix it
or
up.
Maya?
What?
Or you make it?
We kind of mixed it
He
together.
made that.
She's vlogging the whole making the chili.
Yeah, and we need the chef's.
Guys, these are the new chips. They're amazing.
Oh,
They
yeah.
have them at Belchris. Yeah. They're amazing.
No kidding.
Yeah. This is like our third.
Third.
But they're not fried. Yeah, non-fried.
You're so. You pointed in the face.
Oh my
I can prepare next time.
Filming the move, it's like, okay, whatever. The chili.
I told you I should do it.